Hi guys, we're coming back to our market update. Today is March 30th, and let's jump right into it. And from the look of it, I might just conclude this market update very quickly. Up, 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 and up. And still, I mean, obviously, to the degree of the weakness and strength that we see, right? So, for instance, shitcoin is definitely, the strongest. And again, we want to be in small caps; they're moving really well. And then something like, let's say, Chainlink or Aave, they are showing comparative weakness. Comparative to what? Well, again, we've talked about this type of bars, not overcoming them. We definitely overcame the last capitulation bar into the higher low, which is a great, sign. We have not overcome it yet, by the way. We need to confirm it more. But this shows a little bit more weakness. Let's say like something like this, where this bar has already been overcome, and look at the extension above this level, this breakout level definitely confirms the reversal in the Ethereum. Something like this where we jump into the resistance and we are continuing, or just jumping above the close, and there is extension in the DeFi. Not in Polkadot yet, so this I'm just going to highlight those important bars for us. Okay, so to overcome capitulation bars, this is what we were looking for, and we kind of see how majority of them either have been overcome or on the way there, like right there. Okay, let's quickly go to Bitcoin. So, kind of was a little bit fed up with the conversations about the shortening of the thrust. So shortening of the thrust, and I was explaining today, to my students that you could have a structure like this, and you might, this is a trading range right here, and within the trading range, you might have a shortening of the thrust. What does it mean? It means that there is some kind of vulnerability here, either because demand is diminishing, so momentum is decreasing, or supply is present and that produces some kind of reactions, but still bullish, overall. And my long-term view on the Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general has not changed. I'm still bullish. I don't see any distributional signs. Alessio would confirm that as well with his views. And if anything, I'm seeing a path to 100 to 150,000 range for the Bitcoin, where once we're going to be close to 100, everybody's going to be talking about Bitcoin. It should be in the news. You should be hearing this from your friends. Are you in Bitcoin? When can I come in? I want to put all of my savings into this, and so on and so forth. So that would be the time for us to consider, taking profits and, considering any other scenarios. But so far, Bitcoin looks really good. All of the supply that has come in, look at the diminished supply character on this reaction right here, and then we're overcoming this last bar. So that's great. Also, you could assess, any type of situations just based on like where you are with your positions as well. Here are my positions. I'm showing you, those arrows are points of entry for those positions. And Bitcoin, I don't have a position in personal Bitcoin account. I have some exposure in there in the institutional fund that I co-manage. So you kind of could see that the recovery, let's say like in BAT relative to this bar, is good. So we're still within the confines of this, but this was a really good recovery. I opened a new position here in Uni, and we just need the resolution to the upside. So we're trying to negate this bar right here. Cyan coin, This was the most important bar, and we had a sprint into that bar, and we are recovering again. We are almost at the high, so what's not to like there? Tron is probably one of my favorite positions here. So a couple of times I've opened it. This is the most important bar right now, and look how flat we are. That suggests continuation. So everything looks good. Everything looks like a go. And hopefully we have some kind of resolution into April with the moves that are gonna not just test the resistance of the trading ranges that we are in right now, but also will have the capacity to overcome them and to break them. With that, thank you so much, and until next time.